Your call has been forwarded to...
We're running it back.
To an automated voicemail system.
I didn't even know more voicemail.
Yo.
Your call has been forwarded to voicemail. The person you're trying to reach is not...
Alright, we'll follow up later.
Your call has been forwarded.
Run it back.
Your call has been forwarded.
Alright.
Your call has been forwarded to an auto...
Run it back.
I think I ended up having to text
been
her.
forwarded to an automatic voice message system.
Alright.
Hello. Please leave your name and number.
Okay, I'll call you back again.
Took her a second to get that out.
Hello. Please leave your name and number and the...
Your call cannot be completed as dialed. Please check the number and dial again. And your call cannot be completed as dialed.
Alright, Angela, pick up.
Your call has been forwarded.
I'm spinning the block. Let's see.
Your call has been forwarded to...
Alright. She's probably still asleep.
Hey, you have reached Cassandra. I'm currently unavailable right now, but feel free to leave a message after this beep.
Hello, Cassandra. How you doing? This is Coach Kia. Damn, she hung up. Hello, good morning. May I speak to Cassandra, please?
You are.
Hi, Cassandra. Did I get you at a good time where we could talk really quick? My name is Coach Keon.
I'm a little busy right now.
Oh, okay. Cause
I'm at work, yeah.
Oh, yeah, work. What's a better time to give you a call back?
Maybe later in the day?
Later in the day? Okay. Would around 4 be good?
Yeah, that works.
All right, awesome. Okay, so I'll give you a call back then.
Okay.
All right, talk soon. God bless.
Not really, but how can I help you?
Okay, well, I was just calling to touch base with you because we provide financial education to the community. And I was just calling to see if you're open to learning more about, how to manage your funds, retirement, estate planning, investments, insurance. We educate about all these things on Zoom. So that's why I was calling to see if that's something you'd be open to learning more about, if it didn't conflict with your current schedule.
No, not at this time. Thank you.
Okay. And Michael, if you don't mind me asking, if I send you my... He said not right now. He didn't say not never. So we'll call him back in a couple days.